There are many species of photosynthetic microalgal organisms that grow essentially anywhere where the sun can reach within these eelgrass meadows. So my research is trying to gain a little bit more understanding about the relationship between these microalgal communities and the meadow itself, how productive they are across the course of an entire calendar year. The main thing that drew me to the project broadly was the kind of ability to ask and answer larger questions that are pertinent to things like the global carbon offset market and things that can really touch the world in a good way, I believe. That's what drew me in, and then what kept me here really was the people. Both kind of came together to lead me to spend 4 now that I'm completing this one, full summers living here at the Virginia Coast Reserve long-term ecological research site. Sea grant, I think, was really perfect for me because it, as a funding body and also just like a group of people, has a great prioritization of the science and then what, what benefits can we grow outside of the science, especially for these communities where the science is happening within. So the ESCC, the Eastern Shore Community College, was a really great kind of locus of all of these things because it's a place on this peninsula where people are going to further their education. The aim of my fellowship was about engaging ESCC students and bringing them in to have an experience where they could demonstrate to themselves and everybody that they are incredibly capable, like they have the ability to do something very challenging, like fully beginning to end run an independent research project. I have been very fortunate with the specific ESCC students that I've had where I have gotten 2 incredible rock stars who are both so ultra curious and very willing to try new things and work in uncomfortable circumstances, which is a lot of what fieldwork is about. I have always had great excitement about teaching and finding some way to marry this love that I have of the natural world and research science and the high-level research we're able to do, tie that to this history that I've had as a beneficiary of great college access programs and great outreach by others that made it possible for me to be here, and in tying those 2 things together, it all points to there being a real happiness for me working as a faculty member in either a community college, especially now realizing the real great potential within that setting, or otherwise like an undergraduate focused kind of teaching forward, mentorship forward research institution.